Lily used to climb the highest mountains in search of the freshest air. With wind, she doesn't have to anymore. Wind is the world's first personal air quality system that generates fresh and clean air, that's portable, and is simple to use. Its built-in sensor monitors the air quality around Lily and adjusts its power to filter more or less. Wind helps Lily keep the air around her clean and fresh, even when she's traveling. Wind works by creating a bubble of healthy air around it. Dirty air is drawn in by vents, pulled through a medical-grade air filter, and clean air is propelled out of the top. Wind can filter things like allergens, dust, pet dander, smoke, pretty much anything. Except that. Lily can adjust the amount of clean air wind releases by simply twisting. The Wind app allows Lily to check the quality of the air around her, gain insight about the air she's filtered, and check the air quality of her friends and family. Wind knows when Lily's filter is used up and can automatically ship a replacement filter to her home. And the air quality tracker can even detach to keep Lily aware of the air she's breathing while she's on the go. Wind blends seamlessly into Lily's life, allowing her to breathe easy, no matter where life takes her.
Much better. Life can be smelly. That's why you need VentiFresh, the best weapon to take out stinky odours. It works like adding ventilation to your trash can and other closed spaces. Freshen up the air. So you can actually relax when attending to this guy. It keeps the smell in this area a lot more tolerable. And it makes sure that you can smell the sweet scent of this little devil right here, rather than this. You can install VentiFresh to your trash can easily. Within seconds, just leave it alone, no maintenance. It's a high-tech ventilation system, combining UV lighting and platinum dioxide technology to break down odor molecules and yield fresh air. A light sensor starts the deodorization when the trash can is closed. VentiFresh adapts to all kinds of trash cans, and you can use any regular garbage bags. There's no consumables that keep you spending more. And with an additional portable power bank, you can use VentiFresh all around the house. Such as treating the fridge when needed, under the kitchen sink, and of course, your smelly shoe cabinets. So go get a VentiFresh. So easy to install and 100% hassle-free. And that's what I call a clean job.
This looks amazing. I really think if this thing works, it will be the answer that people are looking for, and nobody will go back to those treatments again. When I see this, I wonder, how can it possibly clean the pollutants from the air?
When I first talk to people about Breathe, I tell them it uses a powerful module to distribute the perfect amount of negatively charged atoms. Their first response was, "No way, it's impossible." And I go, "It's real and it's possible." Because Breathe's technology is based on a component that generates negatively charged atoms, so-called anions, which are attracted by the pollutants in the air. And when the two particles attach to each other, that's when charge neutralization occurs, compelling air pollutants to stick on a nearby surface, making the air safe to breathe. Breathe's technology is special because it comes with a very tiny but powerful rechargeable battery that can last up to 30 hours. It's enclosed in sturdy anodized aluminum and is sure to keep its durability over time. Breathe has been tested and user approved. Everyone who tried it loves it.
It is very important to bring Breathe into people's lives as quickly as possible. It can help anyone to improve their breathing conditions, and it will significantly reduce respiratory-related diseases and ailments. It's a superb device for a healthy way of breathing.
Our prototype is finalized and we are ready to continue with mass production, but more pre-orders are needed to ensure each device is tested and meets high standards of quality. So, we are here asking you to give us a hand. Breathe helps by eliminating harmful particles from the air, allowing you to keep the nature always with you.